All right, our last warm-up game today, guys, is called Thumball. All right, the Thumball has lots of different questions on the ball. So we're gonna get in a circle, we're gonna toss it to each other. When you catch it, whatever one your thumb is on, pick a thumb, any thumb, you're gonna read the question, you're gonna tell us the answer. So for example, it says, a risk you want to take. Maybe you wanna go skydiving, I don't know. All right, let's get in a circle and we'll start our game.
Hey everyone, it's Chris from FlagHouse, and I'm here this week with Laura Hastings to look at some awesome warm-up games.
Simple games with minimal equipment that you can use to get your class moving or even used as a cool down.
So these are some great activities. The kids had a blast doing them. And hey, if you like these videos, please subscribe to our channel. We have great videos every single Wednesday. Coming up next, warm-up games on the FlagHouse Activity channel.
Okay guys, we're gonna play some great warm-up games today to get our bodies moving. You ready for the first one? Yeah. All right, so I need 7 volunteers for our first game. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, okay? I want you to find a hula hoop and stand outside of it. All right, so today our game is called Steal the Treasure. This scarf inside our hoop is our treasure today, okay? It's a great invasion territory game. So, the people on the outside of the hoop, your job is to protect your treasure, all right? The only really rule is you cannot go inside your hoop to protect. These guys, they're going to be trying to steal your treasure, okay? So if they get close to you and they reach in to grab the treasure and they take it from you, you're going to switch places. So now you're going to be the guard and you're going to go run and try and catch other people's treasures, okay? So if you get the treasure, you switch places, okay? If I go in and Sage tags me before I touch the scarf, I need to go find another hoop. Whoa, yeah, Declan. Good job, bud. Okay, now you guard. Who's guarding this one? Oh, we swapped. Okay, so Moon Monster is the name of the game. This is the Moon Monster's tagger. Okay, so it's a bit of a tagging game. I'm gonna put that in the center. Nobody knows who the Moon Monster is yet. I'm gonna give you a description of who the Moon Monster might be. So I might say something like, the Moon Monster is wearing running shoes. And if you have a guess, you put up your hand. You say, I think the Moon Monster is Tristan. Okay, and if it's not Tristan, I'll say no. Okay, and then I'll give you another hint. Okay, if it is Tristan and I say, yep, the Moon Monster's Tristan, you're gonna go and grab the Moon Monster tagger. Everybody, you wanna disperse because he's gonna come and tag as many people as he can. If you get tagged, you're gonna come to the center. You're on the moon mat now. Okay, if you don't get tagged after I count down, we come back to the circle, we do it again. So the Moon Monster today is wearing black running shoes. If you have a guess, put up your hand.
Jaden.
The Moon Monster is?
Jaden.
Nope, the Moon Monster is not Jaden.
Dylan.
The Moon Monster is wearing black shoes and black shorts.
Oh. Jaden.
Marika?
Malachi. Malachi.
The Moon Monster is Malachi. Run. Oh, we got a couple Moon Monsters caught. All right, so our next game we're gonna play is called Builders and Bulldozers. Now, what do builders do?
Build.
Yeah, and what do bulldozers do?
Break things.
You got it. So our cones out here are our buildings. So if you're in the builders group, you're gonna try to keep the cones upright. If you're in the bulldozers group, you're gonna try to knock them all down. Now, you can only knock down with your hands. There's no kicking the cones, okay? You can only use your hands, all right? Good. Oh, come on, builders. Stay on your feet. Come on, builders. All right, our last warm-up game today, guys, is called Thumball. All right, the Thumball has lots of different questions on the ball. So we're gonna get in a circle. We're gonna toss it to each other. When you catch it, whatever one your thumb is on, pick a thumb, any thumb. You're gonna read the question, you're gonna tell us the answer. So for example, it says, a risk you want to take. Maybe you wanna go skydiving, I don't know. All right, let's get in a circle and we'll start our game.
A person you can count on.
Who can you count on?
My dad.
Yeah, that's a good one. Who hasn't had a turn yet? There we go.
A book you want to read. Any book at our shelf.
Oh, okay. All right, so those were some great warm-up games you can use to get your class moving, ready to rock. Awesome job, thanks for coming.
Thanks for watching. Make sure to give us a like, share, or comment to let us know how we're doing. Now go ahead and click over here to subscribe to our YouTube channel. And remember to hit that notification bell so you don't miss out. We have a new video every Wednesday. Click over here to see more of our videos, or down here to get great downloadable activity guides. See you next time on the FlagHouse Activity Channel.